and the ingredients are the same. Fam, chemistry and I are not friends. Protein, argan oil, coconut oil. Like, I almost cannot relate because this is the first time. But will I say this is my best product from them? No. Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, content creation with a little bit of everything else in between. So please consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and the notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So in today's video, from the title you guys already know, I'm going to be reviewing product from a brand called Mega Growth, guys. Mega Growth, yeah. So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Okay, guys, for those that don't know, a brief history, brief introduction, a brief get to know the product, the brand. Mega Growth is a child company, or a parent company called Strength of Nature. Strength of Nature is like a company, I think it's an American company. They have children companies such as African Pride. Yeah, guys, the same company that makes Mega Growth makes African Pride. African Pride, Beautiful Texture, and a couple of other companies under it, okay? So Mega Growth is just one of like the few, but today I want to be reviewing Mega Growth, yeah? For those that don't know, Mega Growth is like was the first ever product I reviewed on this channel. My first ever product review was a Mega Growth review, and it was their daily living strengthener, this exact one here. Like, not this exact one because that one has finished, it was like 2 years ago, but this living strength, and I'm going to have the video linked here. I've also reviewed that deep conditioner, also linked here. Please check out the review after this, okay? But in today's video, the focus of the video is not going to be it's not going to be deep conditioner leave-in. It's going to be the Mega Growth Value Pack, Washday Combo Pack, Shampoo and Conditioner, guys. A lot of people don't actually know that Mega Growth actually has a shampoo and a conditioner, but they kind of like rebranded it like just recently in Nigeria. I don't know about your country, but in Nigeria here, where like they put them together in a pack to make it like a combo pack just to raise awareness and everything. But these things have been in the market for a while. But they relaunched it, so I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys today. This launched like a month or two ago, and I got my hands on it like almost the same month I launched. Do you know how exciting it is for you to like be in a country that a product is launching in? Like, I almost cannot relate because this is the first time, like, okay, this is the second time that I'm actually getting something about like it launched. Nigeria. But anywho, so this actually comes with two products in it. They have a stimulating shampoo and a detangling conditioner. Let me add that like one reason why I actually like Mega Growth, aside from them like being known for like affordability, is that I have compared the ingredients of their daily living strengthener and a deep conditioner with the ones that are made abroad. Because it's actually made in Nigeria, but it's not for, I don't think it's like made here. Like they wrote made in Nigeria. Formulated in the US, but made in Nigeria. So like I compared the ingredients with the ones that were imported from the abroad, and the ingredients are the same. Like, it's nice to have a brand that keeps the standard like in both countries. Not the international one yet, but like I compared the ingredients and they were the same. Many companies we know would just give, like Nigeria, but I'm in Nigeria. So many companies that I see that have international brands basically that make here and making like in the abroad, they're almost never the same. The ingredients are never the same. You even know like brands like Coca-Cola, Coke in Nigeria and Coke in the abroad are different Cokes. Yeah, but anywho, that's not the focus of this video. Okay, so let's get into reviewing this product. So this comes with two products here: the detangling shampoo and their stimulating the detangling conditioner and their stimulating shampoo. Sorry, the stimulating shampoo, I'm going to go with that first because the first shampoo before you condition. Okay, so you guys know that my video is going to be divided into like 5 or 6 criteria. The first one is obviously going to be price versus size. Yeah, price versus size and packaging. Okay, so Mega Growth is known for being a very affordable brand. None of their products pick over 1,000, and for my international viewers, 1,000 is less than like $2.50, which is very quite poor for our currency. But $1 is about 380 to 450. So I really don't know what the banks are exchanging at this point. But this one specifically retails for $820, and if you're ordering it individually like this. But if you're ordering it in the set like this, is about 1,500 naira, which is $750 each, which is very affordable for a 354 ml bottle, 12 fluid ounces. Okay, so this is actually like a good a stimulating shampoo that says that it's anti-breakage, strengthen, restore, and repair. Packaging is stay true to the Mega Growth package. You know that Mega Growth is known for like the orange and yellow kind of sort of stuffs, but so they kept it Mega Growth friendly. Okay, their normal orange and yellow vibe. Okay, they stay true to their branding. Their packaging definitely like it just says Mega. When you just know that it's Mega Growth product. Okay, it comes with this pressy kind of cap. And yeah, so now for the smell and the texture, this actually has a very thick, creamy consistency. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a very thick, creamy. I hope this can pick it up. Thick, creamy consistency, which is actually very nice, and it smells like Mega Growth. You guys, we know that Mega Growth, they're known for having very, very nice smelling products. All their products smell the same. The shampoo, the conditioner. I don't know about the oil, but the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, and the deep conditioner all smell the same, which is amazing. Okay, now into claims. What it claims to do. How does it do? Well, let's see what it claims to do. So, okay, it claims to restore softness and moisture, prevent dry hair and scalp, smoothing, silking, and tame freeze. Let's go to ingredients. The first ingredient is definitely water. The next one is SLS, sodium laureth sulfate, which is actually sort of like a drying sulfate. The next thing is cocoa midopropyl betaine, which is actually like a foaming ingredient, just like sodium laureth sulfate, but it's not as harsh as sodium laureth sulfate. I like what they did there, because some brands will do sodium laureth sulfate and then do sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm like, calm down with the sulfates, boo. But this actually went harsh and then it went light. Okay, so it has other cocoa, mide, chemistry, and me are X's. So it just has a lot of other oils: olive oil, shea butter, avocado oil, quite a number of proteins, argan oil, coconut oil, ginseng root extract, aloe leaf extract, protein, laureth, yellow color, this color, that. Chemistry and I are not friends. Yeah, so it has a lot of quite a number of good oils. Okay, and they said it's a blend of natural oils. Okay guys, now to the effect of this shampoo in my hair. I prepared my hair before I actually applied the shampoo to my hair. Why? Because I saw the ingredients and I saw sodium laureth sulfate, and I'm like, this is going to strip my hair. And yeah, so after preparing my hair, I actually went into shampooing my hair, and when I applied it to my scalp and to my hair, I was surprised. After one wash, my hair was on like the verge. You know, like let's say this is the spectrum of something getting stripped. So this is not stripping. My hair was on the verge of getting stripped if I had gone in with another wash. But since I did not go in with like another like application, it was just on the verge of getting stripped. Okay. My hair felt quite good because all like the gunk, the dirt from like 2 weeks of not washing my hair, I actually got everything off. So one thing I would say about this is that this is not going to be an every week shampoo. No, it can't be an every week shampoo. Your hair will get stripped as shit. Your hair will get stripped as shit, period. Your hair will get stripped as shit. But if, let's say I use it like once a month, it's going to be like a once in a month kind of shampoo because I don't want it to get dry. Just saying. But they wrote moisture. Let me get it. They wrote restore softness and moisture. My hair was I could actually detangle my hair with this because this actually has a very nice consistency. Like I could actually like detangle my hair with it, and my hair would not feel like so dry, but it won't feel like so tangled. It will detangle my hair easily. But for that restoring of softness and moisture, if you wash your hair with this thing 2 times, there's not going to be any moisture left though. That's facts. My hair felt soft. For prevention against dry hair and scalp, if you overuse in your hair is going to get dried. Just saying. It says it's going to smoothing, silking, and tame freeze. Yeah, my hair actually felt good after just using one wash, and the fact that I got the job done after just one shampoo is actually very good because nobody likes to like waste products. But me personally, I like to shampoo my hair 2 times. But I didn't go in because I already like could feel like my health on the verge of getting stripped. So I would not advise you to see your hair like every week if you wash your hair weekly. But if you wash your hair like once in 2 weeks or once a month, or you want to just clarify your hair, this can be your go-to shampoo. Personally, I'm going to be using this like once a month or once in 6 weeks. Yeah, because I already wash like almost like 4 to 7 times a month. So yeah. Which other thing will I say? It says it helps to remove excess buildup from hairsprays, gels, mousses, and colorings without stripping natural oils. Yes, it actually get off like gunk from your head and from your scalp and from your hair without like any issue after just one wash. Okay. So my own downside is that this can be stripping depending on the person's kind of hair. If you have very, very fine strands, it's going to strip your hair for everything it's got. Your hair's going to be naked. Your hair's going to be naked, okay? That's my only downside. You guys know that Mega Growth always comes through for like every other thing, okay? But will I say this is my best product from them? No. Is it my second best? No. My third best? No. This is actually my least favorite product from Mega Growth I've like so far, and that's shocking, because okay, it's actually not shocking because like it's shocking because I think shampoos are not the hardest to formulate. I'm not a formulator. Don't give me a side. I think conditioners are quite hard to formulate, but they always come through. Look at they always come through for these conditioners, guys. But the shampoo is like my least favorite from them so far. So on that note, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confused that Mega Growth shampoo is working away with a score of 65 over 100, 6.5 over 10, because I feel like they could have done better. I know it feels like I'm giving them like I've said very good things about it, but I'm giving them a 6.5. But it's the fact that I felt like this could be better. This could be better. I know the kind of quality that Mega Growth tends to offer, and this just missed it by this. Like, this just missed it by this. These two are actually very high up on my list. So you guys know that my favorite deep conditioner of all time is Mega Growth. So, but I feel like they could have done better with the shampoo. Packaging everything on flick, but there's something just lacking. There's just something like this missing thing that is just missing, but I can't really place my hand on it. But when I apply this to my scalp, I can like feel like there's something missing in the Mega Growth equation. Okay, so this goes away with a 6.5 over 10 or 65% over 100. Okay, so next up is their conditioner. Their Mega Growth Detangling Conditioner, Anti-Breakage, Strengthen, Restore, and Repair. First things first, for price, size, smell, packaging, please refer to the previous products. I'm not going to go through the same thing. It's literally the same thing, except like this says conditioner, this says shampoo, period. So this actually says it's going to restore natural shine and softness, detangle and improve manageability, provide vitality and bounce and body to your hair, strengthen and protect your hair. It's good for detangling, definitely, and it says for mega strength, leave on for 10 minutes, then thoroughly rinse and style as desired. For mega strengthening, for deep penetrating heat activation, wear a plastic cap or sit under a dryer for 15 minutes. Wow, and rinse out and style as desired. So I chose the mega strengthening route because we're extra, we're 2-in-1, you buy one get one free. Okay, so first reaction, this actually has a very nice consistency. It's quite thick and it actually has a very good sleep, which is rare because rinse out conditioners normally don't come through for sleep. Yeah, I just got a number of rinse out conditioners, they don't come through for sleep at all. Like when I'm buying the rinse out conditioner, I'm not buying with the mind that this thing will have a good sleep. I used to up that one in my mind. I'm like, it can never have like a bomb mind-blowing sleep. But it actually has a very good sleep, which is actually mind-blowing. Okay, for the effects in my hair, I apply this to my scalp and I can actually detangle it because it actually has a very good sleep. Okay, this is actually like almost done. I was pouring it into my hair because I'm like, finally, rinse out conditioner that can work, that has a good sleep. Okay, but one of my issues is that this says tip for mega strengthening, apply with wasting under a plastic dryer. So does this mean that this is going to be replacing their, like, does it mean I can replace the deep conditioner with this because it's actually cheaper? Or is it? Because the big one is 500 ml and this is 354. That's really a little mathematics, but this actually feels like it will go a longer way than this small one, obviously. But does it mean that this is actually going to be replacing this, or this is like a good replacement for this? Because I tried to check the ingredients and they're not actually the same thing. But maybe they're the same thing or they just scattered it. Another angle. So I chose the penetrating route, and after 15 minutes, I didn't stay under a steam cap. I just wore my plastic cap. My hair actually felt really soft, and it felt really good. Okay, and it felt strengthened and soft at the same time, which is actually crazy. It didn't feel soft like soaked in water soft, but it just felt the right amount of soft, a little bit of muzzle. Okay, it says detangles and improves manageability. Yeah, it does. My hair was tangled and my hair felt really manageable. Provides vitality, body and bounce. My hair is always bouncy and it's always thick. It has body, okay? It says strengthen and protect hair. So personally, I prefer this with shampoo, about everything. I prefer the formula of this, the consistency of this to the shampoo. What will I say about this in general? It gets the job done. For a rinse out conditioner, it gets the job done. For a deep conditioner, it actually gets the job done. Which is very quite out, which is like mind blowing, but it gets the job done. Personally, if you ask me, I'll say Mega Growth came through with this conditioner. They really came through with this one. The shampoo, but this, yeah, they came through with this conditioner. Okay. So on that note, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that Mega Growth detangling shampoo will work with a score of 7.8, 78% over 100, because sleep check, moisture and strengthening balance check, smell check, price check, packaging check, cuteness check. So I think it's a pretty good product, and it's the Mega Growth standard. I'm just going to know what Mega Growth products in mind, so I would say that this is the Mega Growth standard. Okay. So that's all for this video, guys. Have you ever used any of these products before? Tell me in the comment section. Do you use their shampoo? Do you use their conditioner? Do you use their deep conditioner? Do you use their leave-in? Tell me in the comment section. Let's have a discussion, okay? Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms and Natural Ukachi. Please subscribe and join it to 100,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Don't play yourself. Join the K gang. Join the K squad. Join the. I got a chain, guys. K gang. Follow me. And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember that God is watching you. So give God a beautiful show. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up me, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up me.